Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, remote keyless entry, power brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle